In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Canva on your PC or laptop step by step. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open up any web browser on your computer. Now go to the address bar and type in canva.com, then press enter. Once the website loads, go to the top right corner and click on Login. Sign in to your Canva account using your email, Google account, or any method you normally use. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Canva dashboard. Now look at your profile picture. You can see Get the Canva app. Click on it. Next, click on Download Canva for Windows. The file will now start downloading. Once the download is complete, now open up File Explorer on your PC and go to your Downloads folder. You should see the Canva setup file there. Double-click on it to start the installation. The app will begin installing automatically. This usually only takes a few seconds. Once installed, Canva will open automatically. Now click on Login through browser. Your browser will open and ask you to confirm. Click on Open Canva, and it will log you into the desktop app. And that's it. Canva is now installed on your PC. You can right-click on the Canva icon to add it to your desktop or pin it to your taskbar so it's super easy to open anytime. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.